A 45.5-degree cut improves baseboard corner fit by shifting the joint so the visible front face closes up even when walls are not perfectly square. When walls are out of square by even a degree or two, a standard 45-degree miter will leave a visible gap on the front face because both mating pieces mirror the error. Moving each miter half to 45.5 degrees effectively rotates the joint, so the tiny gap migrates to the back where it is hidden against the wall. To implement this, reliably set your miter saw to 45.5 degrees for both pieces and mark their orientation so you keep the long and short returns consistent, because swapping pieces will put the gap on the wrong side. Always test fit both pieces dry before glue or nail so you can fine-tune the angle by 1/4 of a degree if needed and keep shims ready to push the back joint tight to the wall. Use light glue along the seam on the hidden side only and fasten with finishing nails through the face into the studs or blocking, then fill nail holes and paint. This keeps the front face free of squeezed glue and blemishes. If you do not have a calibrated digital angle readout on your saw, use a reliable protractor to verify the cut and keep a reference scrap board cut to the same angle for quick comparison during repetitive cuts. Common mistakes are assuming walls are perfectly square and cutting two matching 45-degree miters, which leaves a visible seam. Instead, measure the actual corner angle and favor the extra ½ degree toward the back so the front reads tight. A second error is failing to test fit, which forces you to add filler later. Always dry clamp and adjust so you can fine-tune angle and reveal location before any adhesive or final nailing. Third is inconsistent orientation of the two pieces, which places the gap forward. Mark each piece with an orientation arrow and keep the long and short return on the correct sides so the hidden gap stays where intended. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work related to projects like baseboard installation. On our site, we also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences together.